Learning to do pull-up has been a journey for me. It took me 1 year to learn how to do pull-up with confidence, control, and consistency. On September 25th, we'll be doing a pull-up workshop for ladies only. When doing the ring rows, remember to fully extend your arms and legs at the bottom, engage your core and your glutes. Over time, you will develop upper body strength, balance, and coordination. Well, tips for beginners. You may set up the rings higher and step 2 to 3 steps forward, which means you're closer to being right underneath the rings. And if you want more challenges, just set the rings lower towards the ground and step further away from the rings. So I hope this works for you. Try it and see you in the workshop.
Wanting to achieve your first pull-up or increasing your pull-up strength? Well, it's very important for you to pay attention on your grip strength. One of the simple exercises that you can incorporate in your training is dead hang. Go into a passive hang, keeping your arms straight, keeping your core tight as well so that you do not swing too much, and try to hold it for 20 to 30 seconds each time. Eventually, you will be able to build a stronger grip strength for your pull-up. Join me and Coach Sasa in the pull-up workshop that is happening on the 25th of September, 2 to 5 p.m.
Rings pull-up has been a long journey for me. Do you want to build strength to do a pull-up? Are you able to maintain body control and coordination in this movement? We'll be doing a pull-up workshop on September 25th from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. In this workshop, you will learn how to do negative pull-up to gain strength and endurance in your shoulders, arms, back, and core muscles. The trickiest part about this negative pull-up is for you to maintain control as you lower your body down in a slow release energy kind of way, and try to count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 until you reach a dead hang at the bottom of the rings. Try this and I'll see you at the workshop.
When I first started my fitness journey, pull-up has always been one of the upper body movement that I wanted to unlock. So with the right technique as well as training program, I believe all of us will be able to achieve this movement. One of the exercises that we will be sharing with you in the workshop is scapular pull-up. Grab the bar with an overhand grip and start off with a passive hang position. Now imagine trying to draw your scapula down and together and hold at the top position for half a second. While you're doing this movement, remember to keep your arms straight as well. Let's try this movement together in our pull-up workshop. See you on the 25th of September.